Hello everyone! Through my work experience, I had a lot of clients who came with a problem of face asymmetry. Those are, for example, eyebrows being on a different level, one eyelid is a bit more droopy than the other one part of the nasolabial fold is more showing, and the lip asymmetry as well. And now many of my subscribers started asking me similar questions, so I realized that this topic is trending at the moment. Therefore, the topic of today's video is face asymmetry. Actually, every person has a slight mismatch of the right and left parts of the face. It is not a problem and does not need any treatment, but it actually makes your face unique and recognizable. However, if the asymmetry is very visible, then first thing to do is to find out the cause of it. There can be several reasons why asymmetry occurs. First one is dental, such as loss of tooth, overbite, rubbing of the teeth causing displacement of the jaws. A symmetrical position of the jaws and neck occur because of the overbite, and it also changes position of your head, contraction of the muscles, and bones position. This can be avoided if noticed and treated on time. The next reason is stress. Due to stress, muscles tend to get tenser, which causes cramps, interruption of blood and lymph flow. In this case, face asymmetry usually shows as uneven swelling. Another very important cause of asymmetry is a bad body posture. Many of us tend to spend most of the day in sitting position, which provokes back pain, slouching, position of the neck and shoulders changes as well. Contraction of all body muscles, even on your face, changes due to the wrong position of your spine. One more reason is bad habits. Carrying your bag on one shoulder, sitting with legs crossed, sleeping on one side and standing, putting most pressure on one foot. Constant repetition of the wrong posture causes displacement of all bones and tissues. For some time, your body is able to compensate those displacements, but after a while, it can start causing pain. Some nerves are getting constantly triggered by the wrong body position, especially position of your jaws, neck, shoulder blades, and legs. It also causes muscle contraction that results in pain, interrupted blood flow, dizziness, and migraines. We usually tend to work only on the face to get rid of particular deformations, but face is connected to the body by fascias. And if you want to get rid of deformations in your face, you should treat deformations of your whole body. Our body is very smart and receptive, and by working with bones, muscles, fascia, and psychological state, you can get rid of cramps, displacement, and asymmetry. Please write me in comments below if you ever noticed asymmetry in your face. First thing to remember here is keeping the right body posture. Ways to get the right body posture we covered in the first episode of our beauty series. Take a closer look into habits and control your behavior throughout the day. In the near future, I'm going to make a detailed video about fascia and correction of the body in order to get rid of gained face asymmetry. If you found this video interesting, subscribe to our channel, give it a thumbs up, and share it with your friends.